everyone, welcome to the course on Electrical System Design. Today's topic is National Electric Code. Standardization work in the electrotechnical field was initiated in the year 1950 through Engineering Division Council of Bureau of Indian Standards, and it covers fields like cables, conductors, fans, motors and insulators. National Electric Code is actually a regionally adoptable standards for safe installation of electrical wiring and equipment. It is a part of National Fire Code series published by National Fire Protection Association. NEC is formulated to elaborate Indian electricity rules and serve as a compilation document on electrical practices in our country. The main objective of National Electric Code is to provide information in a consolidated form to the electrical engineers and contractors who are concerned with the design and operation of electrical installations. The information in National Electric Code is presented in 8 parts. First part is general and common aspects. Second one, electrical installation in standby generating stations and substations. And third one is electrical installations in non-industrial building. Fourth one is electrical installation in industrial building. Then outdoor installations. Then electrical installations in agricultural premises. Then electrical installations in hazardous areas. And last one is solar photovoltaic system. The major scope of National Electric Code are: it provides standard good practices for selection of part of power system. Recommendation concerning safety and related matter in the wiring of electrical installation of buildings or industrial structures, promoting compatibility between such recommendations and those concerning the equipment installed. Next one is general safety procedures and practices in electric work, and the last one is additional precaution to be taken for use of electrical equipment for special environmental conditions like explosive and active atmosphere. And National Electric Code is applies to different situations such as standby or emergency generating plants and building substation, domestic dwelling, office building, shipping and commercial centers and institutions, medical establishments, hotels, sports building, agricultural premises, solar photovoltaic installations, installations in hazardous areas. And National Electric Code is not applies to some areas like lightning protection aspects from structural safety point of view, traction, motor vehicles, installation in rolling stock, onboard ship, aircraft or installation in underground mines, systems of distributional energy to public, power generation and transmission for such system, and then guidelines on the payment of electrical work done in installation. Thank you all.